Thank you for staying with the Monday Report. Before we get into that conversation, the State Department of Public Service has raised alarm over the increasing cases of depression and other mental health challenges among civil servants. Public Services PS Amos Gathecha now says the number of government employees seeking psychosocial counselling has almost tripled from 5,000 annually to 13,000 in the last 1 year. And as Mary Mwoki now reports, the PS attributes the sharp spike to the prevailing harsh financial and economic conditions.
In the last 1 year, cases of police officers going rogue and opening fire on civilians before turning the gun on themselves have been on the rise, perhaps an indication of the deteriorating mental health among civil servants, and especially at the National Police Service and Prison Department, where cases of suicide have gone up. Public Service PS Amos Gathecha says the government is ramping up mental health and advocacy campaigns to enhance awareness about mental health challenges.
Somehow, some of those officers have been able to join the universities, which is good for them, but we still have our equipment down there. What maybe we require now is to recruit so that the 8 former provinces can be covered.
Realized since COVID came, more officers are getting stressed at work, and the need for psychological counseling has been felt. Before COVID, we would see like 5,000 officers who are going for counseling, but since then the numbers have grown. We are now talking about 13,000 per annum. We have also seen a rise in the need for counseling in the defense.
The PS says the difficult economic situation and financial challenges experienced by a majority of Kenyans is to blame for the worsening depression among civil servants. Gathecha says, unable to meet their financial obligations, many of them have turned to the bottle for solace, affecting service delivery in public institutions amid increased cases of absenteeism.
We have been able to introduce counseling and wellness services in 7 ministries. That means we still have got about 15 ministries to cover.
As the stress levels go up because of the economic conditions the way they are, because of stress, most of the public servants work in towns and cities, and the stress levels in towns and cities are much higher.
The PS spoke in Naivasha during an ongoing 2-day workshop for public service counsellors drawn from different ministries. Mary Mwoki, Citizen TV.